What if I told you? A parrot went underwater in a submarine. Meet Baby, not your normal parrot. While others fly, Bebe dives. One day, Bebe hopped into a tiny yellow submarine built just for him. Down he went, bubbles everywhere, fish staring like, "What is that?" He explored coral castles, chased a curious turtle, and even squawked underwater. Okay, kind of muffled. But the craziest part? Bebe wasn't scared. He loved it. Now he refuses to fly. Because apparently, he's the first submarine parrot explorer